Welcome to Best English Hub.
100 simple questions and answers for traveling. These are great for practicing conversation skills and common scenarios while traveling. At the airport. Where is the check-in counter?
It's over there, next to gate 5.
What time does my flight leave?
Your flight leaves at 10:30 a.m.
Can I have a window seat?
Sure, here is your boarding pass.
How much luggage can I bring?
You can bring one bag, up to 20 kilograms.
Where is the nearest restroom?
It's near gate 3, on the right.
What's the gate number for my flight?
Your gate is gate 12.
Is this the line for security?
Yes, it is. Please have your ID ready.
When does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 9:45 a.m.
Is my flight delayed?
No, the flight is on time.
Can I bring food on the plane?
Yes, but only if it's packed properly. On the plane.
Can I switch seats?
Let me check with the crew, but I think it's okay.
How long is the flight?
The flight is about 8 hours.
Can I have some water?
Of course, I'll bring it in a minute.
What time will we land?
We'll land in about 30 minutes.
Is there Wi-Fi on the plane?
Yes, there is. You can connect to the network.
Can I get a blanket, please?
Sure, I'll bring you one.
Is this seat reclinable?
Yes, you can recline the seat by pressing this button.
Where are the headphones?
They are in the seat pocket, in front of you.
How do I use the in-flight entertainment?
Just press the screen and choose the movie.
Can I bring my bag to the seat?
You should place your bag in the overhead compartment.
At immigration and customs. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for tourism.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 10 days.
Where are you staying?
I'm staying at the Grand Hotel.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here is my return ticket.
What countries have you visited?
I've been to Canada, France and Japan.
Can I see your passport?
Here it is.
Where is your luggage?
It's in the baggage claim area.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't have anything to declare.
Are you bringing in any food or plants?
No, I'm not.
Are you carrying any illegal items?
No, I am not carrying anything illegal. At the hotel.
I have a reservation under Dream House.
Welcome. Let me check your reservation.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 o'clock p.m.
Can I have an extra pillow?
Sure, I will send one to your room.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to a.m.
Do you have a gym?
Yes, the gym is on the 3rd floor.
Can I get a wake-up call?
Absolutely. At what time would you like the call?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel.
Where is the nearest restaurant?
There is a restaurant just around the corner.
Can I get a taxi to the airport?
Sure, I can arrange a taxi for you.
What is the room number?
Your room is number 302.
Asking for directions. How do I get to the bus station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Is it far from here?
It's about 10 minutes on foot.
Can you show me the way to the museum?
Yes, go straight and then take the second right.
Where is the nearest subway station?
It's 1 block away next to the park.
How far is the beach from here?
The beach is about 30 minutes by taxi.
Which bus should I take to the city center?
You can take bus number 12.
Is this the right way to the train station?
Yes, just follow this street and it will be on your left.
Where is the ATM?
There's an ATM near the corner store.
How long does it take to walk to the park?
It takes about 15 minutes to walk.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, try the green leaf near the corner.
At the restaurant.
Can I see the menu?
Sure, here is the menu.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled fish.
How spicy is the food?
It's mild, but you can ask for less spice if you prefer.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, here's your bill.
Is service charge included?
Yes, the service charge is included.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we have many vegetarian dishes.
Can I have a glass of water?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Do you have any desserts?
Yes, we have chocolate cake and ice cream.
How big are the portions?
The portions are quite large.
Do you serve breakfast?
Yes, we serve breakfast from AM to AM.
Shopping and souvenirs. How much is this?
This costs $20.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check for you.
Can you gift wrap this for me?
Of course, I'll wrap it for you.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, there's a 10% discount today.
Where is the nearest shopping mall?
It's a 10-minute walk from here.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, you can return it within 30 days.
Do you sell postcards?
Yes, we have postcards at the counter.
Do you have any souvenirs from this city?
Yes, we have keychains and mugs with the city's landmarks.
Is there a tax on this item?
Yes, there's a 5% tax on all items.
Emergency situations.
I need a doctor.
I'll call one right away.
Where is the nearest hospital?
The nearest hospital is 2 blocks away.
Can you help me?
Of course, What's the problem?
I've lost my passport.
Please go to the embassy to report it.
I need to call the police.
I'll call the police for you right now.
My wallet was stolen.
Let's report it to the police immediately.
How do I cancel my credit card?
You can call the bank's customer service number.
I need an emergency contact number.
Here is the emergency number for the police and ambulance.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
Can you take me to the police station?
Yes, I can help you get there. Thank you for watching. Support me to get better videos. Like, comment and subscribe to help me create updated videos.